Now see, the board is clear and audio is also clear, I think. Now, today I'm going to start a new
Yes, sir.
chapter. This is the chapter number
Yes.
13. Chapter number 13, surface area and volume. So, first we start with surface area. So, and you know that in this chapter we are talking about 2D figure or 3D figure.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, in this chapter we are talking about 2D figures or 3D figures. This is a question from you all. कोई भी बता सकता है?
So we are talking about 3D figures.
Exactly
Deep
right.
figure,
Because
sir.
when we are talking about the surface area, then two dimensional figure means 2D figure means a two-dimensional figure. If there is a two dimension, then we only find out the area, not the surface area. So this is related to the 3D figures. First, now in first exercise, basically the first exercise is related to the cuboid and cube. So first we talk about the number of faces, edges, and one more thing is vertices. So Ayushi, tell me how many faces are in a cuboid?
What's up?
How many number of faces in cuboid? Okay, Saloni, are you understand my question? If understand, then tell
Sir,
me
sir, six.
six.
12.
Huh?
Six.
Six faces.
So
Okay.
12.
12
Sir,
faces.
12 ages.
नहीं मैंने वो नहीं पूछा मैंने सिर्फ
Sir,
फेस का पूछा
Sir,
जस्ट टेल मी द
six
फेस
faces.
so there is six face and in cuboid and one is ये मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है cuboid and cubicle होता है इसलिए मैंने सिर्फ क्यूब लिखा है in both there is number of faces is six or anyone remembered uh, Euler's formula anyone
Yes, sir.
which
Completely.
Yes,
formula,
sir.
sir?
यूलर्स फॉर्मूला किसी को याद है यूलर्स फॉर्मूला हमने क्लास 8 में पढ़ा था
Yes, sir.
तो कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी अमन विदाउट एनी हेल्प
Sir, some things I don't remember, but some things like number of, sir, like sir, we were subtracting number of faces to number of vertices. The number of edges was coming. Like this something, sir.
लाइक दिस समथिंग मतलब तुम पढ़ने बैठे हो कि ये क्या या गेस करने बैठे हो गेस नहीं चलेगा ना इसमें गेस थोड़ी कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे EULERS यूलर्स फॉर्मूला यूलर्स फॉर्मूला गेस नहीं कर रहा है जिसको मालूम है वो बोले जिसको नहीं मालूम है इट्स
That
ओके
when we add number of faces with number of vertices, and when we subtract with number of edges, then we get 2.
दिस इज कॉल्ड अ यूलर्स फॉर्मूला सबको दिख रहा है faces
Yes,
number
sir.
of faces minus the edges plus the vertices which is equal to 2 ये जस्ट एक रिकॉल किया मैंने तुम्हारे साथ कि दिस इज कॉल्ड अ यूलर्स फॉर्मूला और मुझे पता है कि इस क्लास में आई थिंक कि कुछ बच्चे जो हैं इस फॉर्मूले को भूल गए होंगे so this is
Yes,
a
sir.
recap for the Euler's formula f minus e plus v is equal to 2. This is the Euler's formula. And if we are talking about cuboid and cube, so faces are 6, edges are 12, in this also 12. And how many vertices are there? Is it be
Sir,
okay?
eight vertices.
Is it be okay na? So please, everyone must write down these things in your copy. Now, if we are talking about the surface area of 3D figure, because 2D figure के अंदर surface area नहीं, it's not possible with 2D figures, because in 2D figures there is two dimensional. The 2D figure is called a two dimensional figure. So surface, only one surface is there. So simple area and the surface area both are the same. But when we talking about 3D figure, first, in your book is cuboid and cube. So I just discussed about first cube and cuboid. So I tell you about number of faces. I told about you this in written on the board also. कि number of faces is 6, number of edges is 12 and vertices 8. Same with cube and cuboid. Only the dimension. Only that only something is different in between cuboid and cube. Now what is different? In cube all the faces are identical. All the faces are identical. What is the meaning of this? All the faces are identical. My voice is clear to you all or not?
Yes, sir.
So now the cuboid. In cuboid, opposite faces are identical, and in cube, all the faces are identical. What is the meaning of identical? Anyone?
Sir,
Are
meaning
equal
of identical
equal
is
to each other.
Yes, yes. Having same dimension. Having same dimension. Exactly right. Identical means having same dimension. Dimension.
Same, sir.
Same dimension means identical. All the faces are identical means this in cube all the edges are equal. All the edges are equal. Clear? In cuboid only the opposite edges are equal. If we are talking about length, breadth and height, so there is how many? How many edges? Number of edges is 12. It means that there is 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height. Is it be clear? That is why in cuboid opposite
yes.
faces are identical, and in cube all the faces are identical because all the edges are equal. Identical means having the same dimension, and dimension means always when we are talking about a surface area, this is length by breadth. This is length by breadth, not height. If we talk about volume, then length, breadth, and height is there. But if we are talking about area, only length and breadth is there. According to phase, this height accommodate to change to length or breadth according to that. So in surface area, this is the two. Main first two is this cuboid and cube. तो ये तुम्हें याद रखना है कि opposite faces are identical and this in cube all the faces are identical. Now let us see the formula. और एक चीज और मैं इसमें बता सकता हूँ, कर सकता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए. ये तुम्हारी बुक में भी है. दिस इज ऑन द पेज नंबर page number 209. There is a pattern. This is a pattern for the cuboid. तो यहाँ पर ये मैथ देख के तुम समझ सकते हो कि how many length is there, how many breadth is there, how many height is there. Okay. Now let us talk about the some formulas about the and one more question in my mind is what is the difference between area and volume? What is the meaning of area?
Sir, may I say?
Yes, why not?
Sir,
May I say the difference between area and volume?
No, just first tell me the area. What is the difference? What is area basically?
So area is the space occupied by a two-dimensional figure.
Occupied. नहीं ये वर्ड सही नहीं है ऑक्यूपाइड नहीं होगा यहाँ पर
uh,
द स्पेस एनक्लोज्ड बाय 2D फिगर ऑक्यूपाइड नहीं ये ऑक्यूपाई थोड़ी कर रहा है ये एनक्लोज कर रहा है बिकॉज वी नो दैट इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ polygon if we are talking about polygon so it is a closed figure and closed figure always encloses area not occupy area understood Raj? Is it be clear or not? चुप हो जाते हो ब्रज कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी
yes, sir.
अमन is this
Yes,
clear
sir,
or
clear.
not? The space enclosed by the 2D figure is called area not occupied by because it is a polygon we know that polygon is a closed figure or if it is a closed figure it encloses area not occupy area okay now this is called area if we talking about the volume so how can we say that what is the volume then we talk about the surface area also
Sir, area is for 2D shape and
it's
volume
okay
is
the
for
space
3D.
enclosed the area means that the space enclosed by 2D figure and now what is volume क्या है volume what do you
Space
understand by the
occupied
term
by
volume
2D.
That is volume 3D figure.
yes the space enclosed by 3D figure yes exactly the space enclosed by volume is basically the space enclosed by 3D figure and so then we are now in this chapter we are studying about surface area so what is surface area if the area is the space enclosed by 2D figure so what is surface area what is surface area the space enclosed by 2D figure more than more than one face more than one face एक से ज्यादा तो एक से ज्यादा वो तो बना ही नहीं रहा more than one is called a surface because there is two surface then we say that ki surface area of two if there is six faces then the surface area of 6 faces. The space encloses by 2D figure in 6 faces. If we are talking about cuboid, then uh, the the area enclosed by surface area is basically the area. If we talk about this, the area enclosed by 6 faces. If it is cuboid, clear? Now, difference is clear. Now let us see the formula. So I think everyone know that what is the surface area of cuboid, because this we already read in class 8. Cuboid.
Yes, sir.
So tell me please surface area. What is the surface area of cuboid?
Sir, 2 into L into breadth. Sir, 2 into L into breadth plus breadth into height plus L into height.
देखो अब यहाँ पर तुम्हारे को थोड़ा और क्लियर कर देते हैं. Sir, if we talk about the surface area, there is two. Area of four wall. This is called lateral surface area. This is called lateral surface area. Area of six wall. This is called total surface area. Sometimes we have to use the area of five wall or five wall or faces. Then use LSA plus area of top or bottom. Clear? So if we are talking about the surface area of cuboid, then there is a three kinds: area of four wall, area of five wall, area of six wall. If we are talking about the area of four wall, this is the lateral surface area. And if we talk about area of six wall, means total 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 surface area, means the area of six faces. Area of six faces. And if we're talking about area of five wall, then it is LSA, lateral surface area plus area of top or bottom. Sometime in question the top is included, or sometime the base is included, or uh, yes, same. Either the top is there or the base is there, then you can use the five wall. And all this you can understand while doing questions. So let us see the formula. What is the lateral surface area? Now there is three formula. One is the LSA, and the formula for LSA, because we are studying in 9th grade, तो हमें ये बोलना नहीं होता है. What is the formula for LSA, सलोनी? तुमने क्या बताया अभी मुझे? LSA, not total surface area.
Sir, I am Madhvi.
Okay, tell me, no problem.
Sir, 2 into L plus breadth into height.
Okay, 2 into L plus breadth into height. But now we are in class 8. We say perimeter multiplied by height. Is it be clear? कितना मुश्किल होता है 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय L प्लस B इंटू हाइट. So it is better to say that perimeter multiplied by height. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
When we are talking about area of pipe wall, then it is LSA plus. LSA plus area of top or bottom. And then the last is the total surface area. If we are talking about total surface area, then the formula is 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus HL. Now you can see LB, BH, HL means LB, BH and HL. See in this you can see the area of one phase, area of two phase, area of three phase. From here we get the area of three phase. And if it is multiplied by 2, how? Because the opposite faces are identical. Opposite faces are identical. So that is why we multiply this three faces with 2. Then it becomes 6 phase. That is why I tell you in the starting कि cuboid is basically opposite faces are identical. Now clear? Or is there any doubt? Please ask.
Yes.
Please
No, sir,
ask.
clear.
Clear? All three formula are clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So let us do one example. Braj, can you read the example number 1? It's slightly big. Example number 1
Sir,
from the book. Page number, everyone
okay.
open page number now 211 and read the question, Braj. Example number 1.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to
Mhm.
place the tree on wooden box covered with colored paper with picture of Santa Claus on it.
Okay.
She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose.
Okay.
If the box has length, breadth, and height is 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 20 centimeter respectively, how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require?
अरे देखो एग्जाम्पल तो कर रहा हूँ इससे पहले तो एक और एक चीज छूट गई मेरी वेट बिफोर द एग्जाम्पल क्यूब क्यूब का छूट गया सरफेस एरिया क्यूब सरफेस एरिया सेम इन क्यूब
Very
LSA means area of 4. So what is the can you tell me please what is the area of square?
So
Raj?
4 into side.
What?
So 4 into side.
Wow, you are really
So
great,
side
Raj.
square. So
Really,
side
really.
square.
I think you are really great. We are talking about area only here. So the area of square is what? Side square. So I will write A square. Okay. I will write A square. So how many faces are there? 4. So it is 4A square. And if we are talking about area of 5 faces, then we use 5A square. Because all the faces are identical. That is the reason why I just take out the area of one face and multiply with the number of faces. So this is basically a number of face multiplied by area of one face. This is only, in this we can use like this, number of faces multiplied the number of area of one face. If this is total surface area, then it will be 6A square. Clear? Any doubt? Please write down everyone cuboid. In this four identical faces, we use the four face. In this we use five faces, and in this we use six faces. And we know that all the faces are identical. So this is the general formula for this. Number of faces multiplied by area of one face. And we know that face is square in shape. So the area of square is equal to side square, or you can write a square also. Copied? Now example 1. So a girl wanted to decorate his Christmas tree, and she want to place the tree on a wooden box. Okay, there is one wooden box. There is one wooden box, and she want to place a like whatever the Christmas tree shape. I don't want to draw. Just I draw like this. I don't understand how I make. Okay. Okay. Now she want to put a Christmas tree on a wooden box, and the dimension of the box is 80. Now see what is length, what is breadth, and what is height. 80, 40, and 20 centimeter. This is the height, this is the breadth, and this is the length. Clear? And the square sheet is in the form, there is a square sheet of paper whose side is 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter by the 40 centimeter. Now, first, we have to cover the paper on 6 faces. So we have to calculate the total surface area. So Madhvi, can you please tell me what is the total surface area of cuboid?
Sir, 2 into L into breadth plus breadth into height plus L into height.
Okay, good. 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL close. Yes? Now you understand
Yes,
what is length, what is breadth, and what is height. Can you put this value in this?
yes, sir.
Tell me one. Tell me. You can see the figure here. The figure is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me.
Sir, 80 into 40.
Uh-huh.
So 40 into height is
चलो बोलते जाओ, तो मैंने लिख दिया, तुम फटाफट बोलो. You can say only.
so 2 into 320 plus
320. नहीं नहीं नहीं, सॉल्यूशन नहीं बोलो. यहाँ पर जो बोला था वो बोलना था. नाउ यू स्टॉप. It's not 320, it's 3200.
yes. So by mistake I told
Oh,
that.
it's okay, no problem. 1600, 4000, 5000, 5600. Now 2 multiplied by 5600. What is the double of 56? What is the double of 56?
112.
112.
And the unit for the surface area is same square because it is area. So
That's why.
this. Is it be clear? And now the area of each sheet. Area of each sheet, which is equal to 40 into 40, which is equal to 1600 centimeter square. Clear? But
Yes, sir.
we cannot do this like this. ये बच्चे कर मतलब now you are in a upgraded class, so you can do it directly. How? Number of sheet is equal to total surface area of cuboid or box upon area of one sheet. Clear? Now it will be 2 multiplied by what surface area तो एक बार बोल दो. You have to do the same. 80 times 40, then plus 40 times 20, then plus 20 times 80. I think upon 40 into 40. So our और जब हमने किया था तो ये था 2 multiplied by 5600 upon 40 into 40. Now 0 is cancel. This is 2 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 28, 7. So the number of sheet required is 7. It's not required to do individually. Is it be okay or not? You can do your solution if the number of sheets, the question is you have to find the number of sheets, then why we have to find the surface area? We just use the surface area, total surface area, and the area of sheet. So why we have to find the area of sheet? We don't find the area of sheet. We can calculate this. Is it be clear or not? Is it be clear with everyone or not? Because I think the class time is
Yes, sir.
over already. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
तो ये याद रखना है तुम्हारे को कि जब भी ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा आएगा,
5
you
minutes
have to
left.
find the number of sheet. You can decide which two values must be divided. Divide, and then you just write it, put the values, and just divide it and get the answer. Don't solve in this question. The question is what you have. We have to find the number of sheet. So we start this question with number of sheet only. It's not required to first find out the total surface area of cuboid, then area of sheet, and then we can put like then we can write number of sheet is equal to this and blah and blah blah. But the question is we have to find the number of sheet, so we can do like this only. It save your time, and this is the complete working here. So this is not incomplete. This is a complete working here. So this is the right way to solve this question. Okay.
Sir.
Just a moment.